Hey everyone, Broker Bill here and welcome to August. The summer heat is on and so is the Delaware real estate market. This week I want to give you a fresh August 2025 snapshot of what's happening on the ground and what it means for you. Whether you're looking to find your retirement dream home or sell your current one. The big story right now is a subtle but significant shift toward a more balanced market. We've seen a consistent rise in home values across the state. The median home price in Delaware has been holding strong, and in many areas is still showing a healthy year-over-year appreciation. This is fantastic news for sellers and a good sign for long-term stability for buyers. But here's the key takeaway for August. We're also seeing a noticeable increase in inventory. In Sussex County, for example, the number of homes for sale has jumped significantly since the beginning of the summer. This is a game changer. What does this mean for our buyers? More choices. The days of intense bidding wars on every single property are becoming less common in many price points. With more homes on the market, you have more time and more options to find a property that perfectly fits your needs without feeling rushed. This is especially important for our retirees who are looking for that just right home to start their next chapter. It's an opportunity to be methodical, perform your due diligence, and potentially have more room for negotiation. Now, for our sellers. This doesn't mean the market is turned against you. Demand for Delaware remains strong. The key is to be strategic. With more homes available, buyers are becoming more selective. This means it's more crucial than ever to price your home correctly from day one and ensure it's presented in its absolutely best light. A well-priced, well-maintained, and professionally marketed home will still attract a strong number of interested buyers and sell in a timely manner. So as we move through this busy summer month, the message is clear. The Delaware real estate market is still a great place to be, but it's no longer the one-sided sprint we saw in years past. It's evolving into a more thoughtful, strategic environment. Whether you're a buyer excited by the prospect of more choices or a seller ready to capitalize on your home's value, having a real estate professional who understands these current hyperlocal trends is essential. We're here to help you navigate this shifting landscape, ensuring you make the right, most informed and successful decisions possible. Don't just watch the market from the sidelines. Let's get in the game and take advantage of the opportunities August has to offer. Thanks for tuning in to Broker Bill's Babble, and have a wonderful week. Till next week.